What's up everyone, I'm Jace of herniasurgeryrecovery.com and Defy Fitness. So I had my consultation at Shouldice Hospital with Dr. Simmons, confirming that I did have an inguinal hernia. And within 48 hours, I received an email from Shouldice, confirming a date for surgery, along with a short 5-question questionnaire. After replying to that email, I received another email within 48 hours finalizing my surgery day. Now, in that email, it does mention a few things for me to pack, like my health card, method of payment, insurance information, and any entertainment like books, laptops, and tablets, because there is free Wi-Fi there. Now, from my previous experience at Shouldice, here are 3 additional suggestions I have. So the first being, bring loose-fitting clothing, as you want it to be as easy as possible to take on and off. After surgery, you will not want to be wrestling around trying to remove or put something on. The second thing is bring a sweater, one with buttons or a zipper, because buttons and zippers will make it that much easier to put on and take off, and having a sweater with you will keep you warmer and reduce your likelihood of sneezing. Trust me, to me, sneezing is the most painful things you can do while you're recovering. The third thing is pack your belongings in a carry-on luggage or duffel bag with wheels. Rolling your belongings will be that much more comfortable than carrying it. So that's it for this one. I'm Jace, and I'll see you next time when I go to check in at Shouldice Hospital for my surgery.